What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's unit is sponsored by Unice here. This is the Christmas, little collection, I guess. I was supposed to receive this package from last year, but for some reason I didn't. So this is why I got all the Christmas goodies. But guys, as you guys can see, inside the packaging, this is the little mini bag that contains a pair of lash. This is really cute. And also a head scarf, a wig cap, some clips, grab clip, I believe it is. And this is the unit. I totally forgot what type of unit this is, guys, but everything about this wig will be down in my description box, guys. This unit came pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and it came with a total of 4 combs on the inside. It came with an adjustable strap. It is a 13 by 4 lace front wig. Look at the hairline, guys. That is properly pre-plucked. So guys, this is what it looked like pre-bleached, as you guys can see. So I just want to say thank you for Unice here. Thank you to Unice here for choosing to work with me. I hope you enjoy this installation video. Make sure you guys go over to Unice here and get a wig just like this, guys. The direct link for this wig will be in my description, along with all the social media platforms and everything else that you need to know about this wig.
Come and take your place. Closet full of shoes and design bags. She got a name, but everybody call her fine ass. That fine ass. Ain't even gotta see a top hat. Phone in the phone, she a mixed breed. Hips on parentheses. Is she just thick? Is it 6 feet? Yellow on the inside, switch cheese. Can that poom poom on poo poo? She got that wet wet. We had a best sex. I'm a kitty kitty, that's a death threat. So you can say we fucking on her deathbed. Wet bitch call said she want her boo back. Send that nigga home, pussy juice on his do-rag. I ain't gotta suck dick for no verse. I put money on your head and put money in my purse, bitch. Nigga sit in my DM with the blue check. Only want the blue rag. Nigga, you can keep that. Make a nigga go down to a keep that. Have a nigga singing to my pussy like Keith Sweat. This ain't no motherfucking thought box. Pussy had a nigga sweating like a hot box. Keep you pushing for that pussy like Wi-Fi. Rich nigga ain't figure that's my type. He was catfish, I was bet off IG. Yo, flirt like a box like a high speed. Nigga, my blood in that pump like an IV. Full course meal, your main nigga, my fat beat. Play with who you want more than just pot smoke. Nigga thinking he a player, he a fat though. Shorty big like a plan out the combo. I'm just saying you gotta watch out. This spot credit, my pieces don't need no editing. That work still selling, my pussy ain't no comparison. He hit it once, nigga thought I stole crack. When he hit a dollar stab, grab his balls for the back. Yeah, 3 G's in the blunt for the hot spot. If it ain't here, you can bet that's a cop box. Yeah, now this spot wanna shot before I even get the pause. She sucking out the top. Yo, you don't beat it. I said it cause I mean it. Keep the pussy like the paper doing it. I ain't coming between you and my box, but do see it all when you see it. I might put it on the app, you gotta download the free. Wanna see, you wanna see the spin the rack. I told him throw them hundreds if you want me throw it back. I get face in the fin and get brains in the back. He said he don't be on head, but we all know he can. Now back to the track. I'm rolling in my drop top and my titties sitting pretty in my crop top. Niggas say he tryna hit up in that top box. You be fucking anything that walk. You got thought cock. I ain't fucking with no thought box. Like we made it in the truck top. And she here, but she not hot. Wait, coming in non-stop. Beat box on it. Know it's been a while, but I wanna get wild. Not wanna drive you crazy. Pull up and find me, baby. Fucking it up like Gucci daisy. You know it's him, that's amazing. Don't be letting in that shit like you lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you skating. Baby, ain't no hold up on that shit, I hate waiting. She just trying to make hazy. Kiss that shit, have you riding? That's when it gets to the island. Chip, chip, chip when you slide in. Searching for a 21-year-old man who went missing almost a week ago. What took place the night he disappeared? Murder on the beach, so it's not nice. Who is so